Good morning, good day, good people. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday, September the 14th. I got some great news for y'all. Man, I'm super excited about this. I had 3 funded challenges that I just passed this morning. On my Apex Trader funding, so I'm gonna go into that for you guys as well. If I don't do it in this live stream, because today is about trading my small account challenge. If I don't do it in this live stream, I'm going to post another video today to show you guys that it took me 2 trading days to pass the 25K funded a challenge account through Apex Trader Funding, and that's brand new as of this morning. Yesterday was a great trading day for me. I thank God for it, and today should be good too. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the charts, and let me do a quick check to make sure everything is good and crispy. And that's brand new as of. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shout out to Amazon for this cheap but really good mic. I will put the description, whatever the link is in the description below. So I think it's PNP. Yep. So let's see what we got here, y'all. What I'm looking for today is possibly a sell-off because we just took buy-side liquidity up here. And let me look at the news real quick. We have news tomorrow, Friday, September the 15th. I don't know if you guys can see that over here on the right-hand side. Let's see. No, you can't. No big deal. So for the far right-hand side, it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th icon down, you'll see a calendar. And I've changed my calendar to only highlight the important ones. You'll see right beside economic calendar, you can only see 3-bar, 2-bar news. You know, you don't. The 1-bar news really don't affect me as a trader, so I look for the 3-bar news. Not even the 2-bar news. I don't even look for that. So that's it. I got it highlighted, and I changed it from, all the other countries. Instead of showing me Africa and Switzerland and all their country news, I only see USA news that affects this to my market. Okay. So let's take a quick look at the Dixie dollar index. We seem to be on a bullish run. Okay. And let's look at it from a 15-minute standpoint. Yes, definitely on a bullish run right here. So, like as I said yesterday, if we're bullish on dollar, we're typically bearish on the futures on NASDAQ, S&P 500, US 30, Dow Jones. So the dollar has came back in and went to a discount and popped back up. Let's see. So far, we have traded from here to here. Let's see if I can do this right. Bingo. We have went up to a premium, bounced up right in here. Let's look at it from a 5-minute. What has not been filled yet? With these long wicks, it's looking a little sloppy for me on this one. In MNQ, let's look at MES. MES actually looks a little cleaner right now. Let me see something. Yeah, MES does look a little cleaner. MES. I got to be very careful, y'all, because I'm trading my small account today. I won't be trading my Apex because I just passed it. And I'm about to show you guys all about that as well. Let's do red. All right, so let's go here. Let's go 2-minute. Right now, it's just like a 12-minute wait game. I don't try to get in early. I really favor ICT Silver Bullet method a lot. I've been very successful with waiting till 10 o'clock, especially after news. Wait till the dust settle. But to be honest, it's very tempting to push the sell button when you see it hit the 20 right there. Let's get all these lines off of here. The Fibonacci. It's kind of the same thing, except let's reset chart view. We're on a 2-minute chart. Yeah, it's kind of the same thing except this week way up and went above this. Let's see if we got to the 50% of this candle yet. Yep. Well, as far as the actual candle, maybe a sell right in here. Let's set an alert right here. Sell NAS. If we don't take sell side yet, and if we do, scratch that. Oh, let's go to my oh, you know what? I really don't want to put my live account number on here. This is what I'll do then. As you guys see, my first day being live on here, I had day traded and I had, lost some money on my fake account, this paper trade account. I brought it back, by the way. So yeah, brought that back up to, I was at like 98,000. So now I'm back up over 100,000. And just to show you, because folks say we just show proof. There we go. I was having small losses here and there, and boom, boom, boom. I let my winners run. That's my goal. Yeah, if that's not enough proof for you guys, stick to your guns, because this went down by like 1800. It was like 98.8, right? And actually it's like 1200. I'm sorry, but I went back over that and made that back, so that's good. In the last few days, see 914, 913. So actually that was this morning as well. Looks like this thing is going to take sell side. Let's see. If it does, no big deal. We just kind of missed it. Let me get out of this. Log out of that. Let's go into my live AMP account. I gotta give a good review on AMP too, man. These folks has been good. I can't even sit up here and lie. They have been really good to me. So all right, and just so you guys know, you see right here, I basically that 601.50 yesterday. So they took their commission and it was about $8. Yeah, almost $8, like $7.45 in commission fees. And I was like, wait a minute, I thought y'all charged like 50 cents this way and 50 cents that way. But then I added up. Well, I did have like four entries and then 4 exits. So that was like 8 times whatever they charge. And I forgot, they charge on both sides of the market. So it's all good. So from that 601.50 that I made, basically I'm left with 593.54. So I think that's important to show you guys that, yeah, you make great money doing this, but your commission does have to be paid to your broker. And that's not bad commission to me. It's not terrible, put it that way. Man, I feel bad about this already. Taking liquidity. See, that's the only thing about sticking to. That was good. That was good. Sticking to your guns on the 10 a.m. Let's move this. Sometimes you see it. You see it right here, and it's like, dude, I need to take this trade, but I gotta wait till 10 o'clock because ICT and all the students say to wait. And I am a student. I do subscribe to it. I love him. I love what he teaches for free. Like, this is crazy good. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and create a fair value gap template right now. Let me get a little music playing. I thought about that yesterday when it was complete silence, y'all. It was like awkward. You know what I'm saying? So let me get some good music playing for us right here. And let me see what it's looking like on the fit. Goodness gracious. Okay. Alrighty then. No problem then. Yeah. Y'all gotta forgive me. I talk to myself a lot. I'm sure we, as traders, we all do. And I joke with myself a lot. So let's see if I can get. Goodness gracious. Oh man. I hope I didn't miss it. I don't think I did. It's gonna be some more buses, but I seen that fair value gap, but I was like, let me stick to my guns. Let me not jump in before 10 o'clock. It's making me want to switch to like a structure base, you know. All right, I got some music playing in the background. Let's see if it's too loud. I seen that fair value gap, but I was like, let me stick to my structure base. All right, cool beans. So we got music. We got a little ambience going for you guys. Abundant ambience. Look at that. Look at that tongue twister. All right, let me cut this phone off. Get to my friends later on. I'm on a mission right now. This is the part, y'all, where you like, my goodness, did I miss the train? Like, but see, this is the thing. This is the thing. This thing could be digging off in here only to turn around. So you got to be careful. All right. That's some really good order flow, though. Goodness gracious. So let me. Man, that was 9:30. Boom. Let's see what that would have been. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. But I would have had my stop loss like above. See the way I trade, I would have had to put it above this one. Yeah, I still would have been good. All right. Let's see. Wow. All right. So we're getting ready for 10 o'clock. That was a really good run there. I ain't gonna lie, that really kind of got your boy excited. Because I seen that happening. I was talking about how, let me get rid of this one, that's the September. I was talking about how MES did look a little cleaner. And it really did though, because see this spike up didn't spike up as much as MNQ. And I look for stuff like that. Let's go back to our baby here. MNQ. All right, let's see where it's trying to take it now. Perspective. What I'm seeing right now is sell side liquidity has been purged for sure. Let's look at it from an hourly perspective. and this could be the turnaround for everybody that was chasing price to the south side. Let's see. What would it be? This one. That's a perfect 79 retracement right there. This right here. So what I would like to see, I'm gonna just go ahead and explain what I would like to see in my bird brain. I would like to see price cross over this 20 if we're gonna go back bullish. Cross over this 20 and create the W and ride up. That's what I would like to see. Check something really quick, my guys. All right, so now if I was on my, I'm not even gonna lie, if I was on my Apex Trader funding account right here, I have more purchasing power than this, you know, $400 over here. So, well, $593 now. I would just probably go ahead and buy, you know, and just set a stop loss right here, you know, underneath the low. But that's not how we trade it. That's sloppy. Confirmation is everything. Confirmation is everything. That 5-minute candle just got pushed right back down. The dollar is starting to drop a little bit. Alright, so this looks like it may be our candle coming up. So if price persists the way it's going now, let's see. I'll be looking for a short in this area. But did it feel that? Let's see. Yeah, it's already filled it. Never mind. Never mind. Just looking at it from different angles to see. The dollar is still very bullish right now. We could be headed here. Oh, sorry. Trying to get my fibs. Yeah, that could be one of our targets. Right in here. So let's put, or even this one. Gonna map out where we could go, but I have to have a good clean entry is what I'm looking for now. I'm working with real money on this account, so I'm very hesitant just to press the buy or sell button. I gotta see confirmation, and if I don't see it before 11, I just won't trade today. I'll let it ride. All right, so we got another 53 minutes because it's 10:07 Eastern Standard Time. I'm over here in Georgia. Let's see what we got here. The dollar is still bullish. I'm looking at my 15-minute chart. Let me show you guys too. Vertical charts, transition. Here we go. Dollar is still shooting on up. We're shooting down. You see, we're in the middle. The second chart, and then the third chart is S&P. I actually need to change those to the December contract though. I'll do that in just a minute. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now, y'all. Let's see. Let's get off these vertical charts. There we go. And if we do, take sell side and go north, where could we be headed? Let's look at this from today being Thursday. Let's look at it from a weekly standpoint. And daily. Let's see, we had Monday, shot up. Tuesday, shot down. Wednesday, kind of indecisive. Thursday, no gaps. Liquidity below. This did take liquidity up here at 15,809. On the daily, we just took liquidity up top. We haven't taken it down below here recently. Am I right? Let's see. Yeah, it's mainly from Friday, August 4th. We took liquidity on Friday, September 1st. And these two candles kind of agree that that's as high as price needs to go right now. kind of equal highs, so there is liquidity above there. That's a wick, but the bodies are almost equal. Let's see if I go 4 hour. It's looking more bearish. It really is. It definitely is. It's looking more bearish. But I'm still gonna wait. I need to see the elephant come in the room, baby. I need to see the elephant come in the room. Let's see what. Yeah. Let's see. What do we have? Dollar is still raising on up. Dollar is rising. We're dropping. But where's the clear entry? I don't see it yet. And the reason why I'm hesitant to get in is because of this right here, my friend. Let me show you. Besides working with real money, being very cautious, this could be a W. And if the W don't go all the way up to there, you know, it could be, you know, well, let's see, down, up to the fair value gap, and then back down, you know. So I don't want to get tricked in all this right here. I need a clear gap, a clear entry. And that to me wasn't that clear. So that's why I didn't enter. It was just very choppy. And when this went above this candle's body, I was thinking it was gonna break on out. 20 is being rejected on the 1 minute. Looks like it's trying to close above it, but not enough power. But we've created equal lows down here, pretty much relative equal lows. And the low was 15,536. Let's see, 15,536. Yeah. Before I buy, I would look for a break above this 20 on the 2-minute chart. It's got to be clear. It's got to be clear. Real money on the line right here. Dollar is starting to retreat a little bit. Oh, I never did this one. Let me see. Dollar's starting to drop just a little bit. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart on my left on my vertical screen. This could be that purge on sell side liquidity. W, take off to the north side. We'll see. I never changed this to the color I was looking for and saved it as a template. My fair value gaps are actually purple boxes on. Let's just say this FEG. See, that failed so far. Well, it's went back and rebalanced, put it that way. Let's see if it's gonna fail. 58 seconds to let me know if this is gonna hold or not. So far it's holding on a 2-minute chart. That's looking crispy so far, but it already rebalanced. 46 seconds left. Didn't leave a gap, so this wouldn't be an entry. This candle came down and kissed the top of this candle, so that's not a buying scenario for me. It's already rebalanced right there. It has set up liquidity really well right here. Let's see. Engineered liquidity. Right here. Relative equal lows. All right, let's get this ball moving. Yep, see, it failed. It failed. Can it go 50% of this and then pop back up? Let's see. Dollar is still very bullish. Still a gap right here. Let's see if MES was cleaner. About the same. That would have been my whole trade. I would have been on out the way. It's all good. Today is not leaving me any clues as to where to get in. Don't really want to trust the 1 minute, but so it just took the liquidity that it engineered right here. By spiking through this. I mean, I have to see to buy though. I would have to see some very super bullish energy crossing above this 20. And the dollar will have to start dropping significantly. So I'm not really looking for buys, but I don't see any entry for a sale. These wicks was really throwing me off. See? All right, shout out to whoever came by and gave me a thumbs up. Appreciate you. Showing me that random love there. Us day traders need that random love. Next time, drop a comment, baby. Yeah, can we have a bullish pool? Can we have a bullish draw? Let's see what's going on right here. What you got going on, MNQ? How you feeling, MNQ? Can we get a strong close above the 20 so your boy could jump in? Let's see. Strong close above the 20 so I can jump in and buy you, my guy. It's not a strong close so far. We got 10 seconds left though. Let's see. That's pretty strong. I want to see this come on down and if we can fill this gap. I was just about to hit the buy button too. Ah, I missed it. Did I miss it? Nah, you ain't missed it. One contract in. Alright, we live so far, y'all. We live. I really want to see this come all the way down here though, so I can get another contract in. Trying to get it to touch this area right in here. This would be my next. Matter of fact, let's see. Dollar is kind of turning around and this is going back up now. We need that to stay falling if we're going to continue what we got going on. I didn't get to get my second contract in, but not yet. Once I go red again. As you guys see, we've only been positive about $12 max, maybe 15. But we hadn't been negative that much though, so that's good. It's having trouble breaking through right here. Might have took on off. No big deal. No big deal. We'll find another entry. I wish I'd have had, my second contract on right now. But we'll find another entry if we can and ride this on up. My goal is to try to get at least $100 a day when I do trade. So when this come back down to kiss this, is when I will get my second entry in. Let's move the stop loss up. So we up about $32 right now. I'm expecting a pullback to this, the top of this. If we can get that, that'd be great. I don't want to enter it. I don't want to chase price, so I'd rather it come back and, you know, tap me in. But it's really taking off. Come on back down. I'm expecting the second candle to really dip down and let, you know, give us a tap right here, so we can be in the buy with 2 contracts. That would be excellent. Well, I'm okay with the profit right here. It's not coming back down to let us in, but it's no big deal. No big deal. All right, so I took some profit, and I'm gonna do a second entry. My second entry is gonna be right here, and I'm gonna do 2 units. So far, we're up a good $60, I think. Yeah. It's good to go ahead and take you some profit, guys, for sure, without question. And that's what I just did. Excuse me. I'm hoping that it offers. Let's look at it from a 5-minute standpoint. It's very laggy. Let's get this out there. I'm really hoping that it offers us a chance to get back in right here. I mean, this thing is just running. I really wish I would have put in my second order right here. That'd have been like $130, $140 right now. No problem. Can't live off shoulda, coulda, woulda. Just gotta keep moving. The dollar is definitely dropping. I mean, it is on fire. I went ahead and, as soon as I seen it dip beneath this, I went ahead and bought on in. Which could have been a slight mistake, because it could still pull back a good bit. But the way it's on fire right now, I doubt waiting for that pullback will be the thing. It's just like really booking right now. It's really trying to get some stop losses up top, it seems. And I'm about to get on out manually because I broke my rule just then. I really did. Because of drawdown, I like to get in down here. But the way this thing is booking, I just figured it wasn't going to give me a chance to get in. So I went ahead and, you know, got on in. Yep, here comes the slight pullback, it seems. I mean, it's booking. It is booking big time. Shoot on up, my guy. So today, I'm about to go ahead and end this, it looks like. It's 10:36. All right, that's it for today, y'all. I made a little over $100. I'm okay with that. We're up into the fair value gap area. So I made a little less today than I made yesterday. You know what? Let's see. Can I get? Let's just see if we can keep pushing for $10 more. Should I do that? Let's see. So we're gonna trade what you call it? MES. Since it books a little different. Dollar is dropping really, really hard right now. This should shoot on up. It definitely should. Just to see if we can hit exactly 700. And I think it's going to give it to us, guys. That was a rebalancing right here, it looks like. So it looks like we'll have day number 1 $400. Day number 2 was $600, and day number 3, if we can get $700, that would be excellento. Go ahead and hit that, my friend, and here we are. Whoop whoop. Let's not get too excited. There we go, $700. All right, there we go, y'all. So we made yeah, so it's now saying, should I sell NAS? I'm done. That was my alert that I came up with. Let's see. Yeah, I'm done for today. We're back up here now. That was exciting. That was good. I think I did good for today. I had minimum drawdown. I'm definitely excited about, you know, more people starting to tune in to watch the way I trade, and if it works for, you know, if it resonates with you. Like, my thing is, I wouldn't do what I do unless it resonates with you. You see, because the way I trade might not be what's good for your nerves and for, you know, your personality, your anxiety levels. You know, like, you probably seen a few times I didn't even have my stop loss on, but my finger was on the trigger. Like, literally, my finger was on the trigger. So if it would have stopped, you know, if it would have came back pretty fast, I would have, boom, I would have clicked it. And I know there's no crazy news going on. So basically, I got started September the 13th, which was yesterday. And now today is September the 14th. And I've almost doubled my real account. I'm at $700 instead of $400. I'm only $100 away from doubling my real account. And if I would have got in right here with my second contract, as you guys seen, I was very hesitant. If I would have went ahead and hit the buy button right here and let that run like I had intended, I was looking for a bigger pullback to down here though. I was thinking the price would come back to right here. So it didn't. It started booking like crazy. But once I seen that go down and come back up like that, I should have just bought, and that would have been a $200 gain. And that would have put me at $800 for today. But I'm okay with $700 for today, because guess what? It could have been a $100 loss instead of a $100 gain. And it's a little over $100 today. So let's see exactly what I made. Account summary. All right. I made $107 today. And this is live on camera. So you guys can see this is, I really, you know, trade for real. It's a live account. You'll see this is another thing. You'll see that this is brush. Let's go right here. Well, I can't draw on this. I was gonna circle it like that. But right here it says AMP Live right under this red arrow. AMP Live right there. That's my live account. Okay. And I'm not saying this because I'm like, hey, I'm a guru and I'm the best trader alive. No, I'm just showing you guys I'm really doing this with real funds. I'm also going to make another video later on today. Let me stop the music. Stop the ambiance. I'm going to make another video today that shows you guys my Apex Trader funding account. Like for real, like I got 3 new funded accounts today, and I'm super excited about that. I actually traded the news with it. Well, right after 8:30. I went long. Right in here about 8:38. I bought this. Let me show you. And I'll break this down in another video. But I bought red in here. If I can draw. I bought red in here. All right. And I rolled this all the way up to about red in 40. Red in here. I was out of the trade in about 30 minutes, put it that way. And see what I mean? When I say it's booking, this bullish order flow, I mean, see how this came down and there's a big gap right there? Well, it just took off after that. It still didn't, you know? Like, it's really booking. And just to show you guys, it's 10:45, I'm about to leave. All right, just to show you guys right here, Where's it at? Vertical charts. Okay. Oh, let's see. Vertical charts. Here we go. See, the dollar is now dropping. The top chart. The top chart right here. The dollar is now dropping. It's headed down. And we, my friend, are headed up on NAS and on S&P 500. So this is the 500 down here, if I can draw. That's the S&P 500. Here's the NAS 100. And here is the Dixie, DXY, on the 15-minute chart, just so I can see structure pretty clearly, okay? I'm going to undo those drawings now. Let's see, Control Z. All right, no problem. I'll just undo it later. But yeah, that's what I was referencing to see, like, where the energy is headed. Like, is the dollar really starting to drop? Is it really time for this thing to take over and go to the north side? Because it's taking sell side liquidity already. And I seen clearly on the 15-minute chart over here to my left that it was starting to drop. But then what was my confirmation today was, let's get this off real quick. Time to go to the gym. My confirmation was this fair value gap that broke above the 20. And you clearly see the W that I was talking about, okay? Here's that W. Shout out to Lilo for this. I do trade a little bit of patterns too. This was the area to enter in. I was thinking I was going to have a deeper pullback for my second contract. And I never got that. No problem. Look at that. I'm rhyming. I was thinking I was going to have a deeper pullback for my second contract. I'm just joking. Let me stop. All right. So with that said, I didn't get that. No big deal. So I broke my rules and I entered long right here because I seen how it was booking. When it pulled back in here, I just entered long. Got a little nervous. Got on out about right in here. But if I'd have stayed on in again, woulda, coulda, shoulda, this would have been at least, I would have been like 250 for the day, at least, you know. But I got out about right in here because I broke my rules. I was expecting price to at least come back down to here, which would have put me in a lot of drawdown for that second contract. Because that first contract got in right here, okay? And my finger was on the stop loss button right here the whole time. I know that gave some of you guys anxiety. Trust me, I felt a little bit too because I was like, what if it drops? But it wasn't. So thank God. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're seeing this later, just know I'm going to be posting my Apex Trader funding, my 3 accounts that I just passed this morning, and it only took me 2 trading days. Do I trade a little bit riskier? I would say my concept is the same as you just seen right here. I got in once I seen this shoot up. After the news made it drop, then it shot up. So I trade a little bit riskier. Like, I wouldn't trade the news with my small account right here, and I don't go as heavy. Like on the trader funding accounts, I went in with like 10 contracts at first, and then 10 more, and I was able to. I could put like I think 80 on there. I didn't do 80, so I did like a quarter of what they allow, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm excited. I'm more excited to make that video than to do this live video because, I mean, bro, it's abundance. Like, keep that account, keep it going, keep those. It's 3 accounts actually. Keep those 3 accounts in good standing. Don't break their rules, and just use that to cash out monthly as well. So I'm gonna have a whole nother video series. I'm about to start a whole folder, playlist. And it's going to be Apex Trader funding my journey to 100K or something. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to do that for you guys today. So count on that video to come out. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Izzy the Whizzy, a.k.a. Israel, is here. And I'm just here to humbly share my opinions on the market. And hopefully I can help somebody else, do exactly what you just seen myself do. And just internally just going for it. Now I do have, let me see if it'll show. I do have a website that I'm working on right now. And it's all about unleashing your inner potential, as you see. I'm not sure if you guys can see this right now, but right here I actually have my YouTube channel. Let's see, where is it in the live? I do have our YouTube channel embedded right here. So let me go here. Yeah, there we go. So I'm building this right now, and it's gonna be up soon. But abundantliving.com, if you want to be a part of this, man, I'm gonna have like a Discord. I'm gonna have basically a community to belong to, so we can ask each other questions, bounce ideas off each other, and I will be talking to you directly, just like I was just now right here on YouTube Live. And I hope that whoever joins me though, like, please just control your risk, brother. Please, like, don't go out here like YOLO in your trades, you know. And sister, I said brother, but sisters, there's some sisters out there to trade too. So if you join my community, it's gonna be free initially at first, you know, until it's too many folks. I can't really manage all the people, of course. And but initially, I want to be free and just help people out as much as possible. And if my way of trading resonates with you, if my style, if my personality connects with you, I invite you, my friend. If you can't stand the way I talk, the way I look, the way I trade, don't waste your time trolling me. Just go do something else. Go have fun with somebody else that you resonate with, okay? That's what life is all about. Some people waste a lot of their life just trying to be negative, and it only hurts you, all right? So abundantliving.com is on the way. Love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching the replay. And this thing is still booking, still shooting up. This would have been a $300 day for me, but shoulda, coulda, woulda, never paid the bills. We are out the markets with profit. I'm okay with that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. Have a great day on purpose. Thank you for watching.